Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy. I create beginner friendly yoga and stretching content to help you become more flexible and more mobile. Today, we're going to be doing a seated stretching routine. So, all you're going to need is a chair. This one will be great if you work at a desk all day. You could even do it while you're at work. Take a quick little break, increase your circulation, and work out some of those kinks that you might have from sitting at a desk. So, to begin, we will sit in our comfortable seated position and just take a few deep breaths here to calm ourselves and let go of any of that work stress that you might be feeling and just come and sit in this present moment. So we'll inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And we'll do two more of those, inhaling and exhaling and inhaling, filling the lungs and exhaling, letting it all go. First, taking some neck rolls here. So dropping your neck to the right and then slowly around to the front and over to the left. And then we'll go back to the right, rolling from side to side here at your own pace. On your next breath, sitting up nice and tall, and we'll clasp the hands in front of us and take some wrist rolls here, getting out all the cricks and cracks. Keeping your palms together here as you make circles with the wrists. And then reverse, try to go in the other way. Oh man, did you hear the crack? Okay, we'll continue with the wrists. So extending your right arm forward and taking your right fingertips up toward the sky with your left hand. Feeling a great opening in the right forearm there. Your typing hand, most likely. And then we'll go for the top of the arm now. So fingertips toward the ground. And you should feel this on the upper side of your right forearm. Taking some big breaths here. Let's go over to the other side. So extending your left arm forward, left fingertips up toward the sky. And then fingertips down to the ground, using your right hand just to gently pull back on the left hand. Releasing your arm back down to your side, taking the shoulders up now to the ears, and really exaggerating these shoulder rolls, taking your shoulders up to your ears, giving them a squeeze, and then sliding your shoulder blades down and back. Inhaling to squeeze up, exhaling to drop your shoulder blades. And now let's take them in the other direction. So we're going to squeeze up and go forward and all the way around. And continuing the shoulders, taking the right arm across the chest and gently pulling it in towards your body, keeping that right shoulder down and away from the ears, finding a lot of length through your neck, sitting up nice and tall here. And release, switching over, other shoulder, left arm comes across the body. All right, let's open up through the chest a little bit more. So hands to your sides, and we're going to inhale to open through the chest, gaze up towards the sky, rounding through the upper back, even opening through the front of the neck. And then on the exhale, looking down towards the ground to round through your upper back. Take a few more of these at your own speed, opening through the chest, gaze up. And then exhaling to round through the open back, spreading your shoulder blades. And on your next breath, finding a tall spine. And let's take a twist. So we're going to inhale the arms up and placing the right hand on your left thigh. We're going to look up and over your left shoulder. Your left arm can extend behind you and you can gaze up and over if that feels comfortable. Otherwise, feel free to just gaze straight ahead. Finding length on every inhale and on every exhale, trying to deepen the twist. Inhaling to find center and exhaling. Let's switch over to the other side. So we're going to gaze up and over the right shoulder. And again, you can extend that right arm behind you if it's comfortable. Last breath. Inhaling to reach your arms up. And now let's just work out through the legs a little bit. So we'll start by just waking up the calves. So you're going to point and then flex your toes, your feet, rocking from heels to toes to try to bring some movement, some circulation into your lower body here. Waking up the calves. And then we will lift the right leg up off the ground and just take a few ankle rolls here. Try to get all those cracks and cricks going one direction and then reversing. We'll actually stay on that side. And if you can manage it, placing your right leg on your left knee, and you're just going to hinge ever so slightly forward to feel a hip opening stretch on that right side. Flex this top foot. So you're just trying to lengthen through the crown of your head rather than collapsing forward, keeping your chest nice and open. And let's switch over to the other side. So first we've got the ankle rolls. So lift your left leg up, and we'll just go in one direction and then the other direction as feels good for you. And then when you're ready, putting that left leg up on the right knee. And remember finding length through the crown of your head as you just gently hinge at the hips to deepen the stretch in your left hip. That side is much, much tighter for me. Oh, don't forget to breathe. One more big breath in and exhaling, finding a comfortable seat again. Let's just take some side bends, wake up to the sides of the body. So we'll inhale, right arm up and over. And here, make sure you're not collapsing forward, keeping your chest open. Gaze up if that's comfortable for your neck. Trying to find as much length as you can through the right side body here. And let's switch to the other side. Left arm up and over. And inhale to sit up nice and tall. Let's do one more full body stretch here. Reaching through the fingertips, making yourself as long as you can. And on your exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining me for this practice today. I really hope it helps energize you for the rest of your day, and I hope you are feeling much better for it. If you did enjoy this video, I invite you to check out my other standing stretch videos that you might enjoy. Really easy to slot in anywhere, anytime. You don't need any equipment or anything like that. You could do them right at your desk. If you enjoyed this video and you feel a little bit better than you did before, don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.